Alright, what is up YouTube? So right now we're in Joey's GTO.
Don't show this to my insurance company.
Hey. Okay, we're going for a quick drive, and it's pretty sick. Alright, here we go.
I want to get past this little thing.
Yeah. Your interior lights just turned on. Why'd they just turn on for no reason?
Leave them alone. They got scared.
They got scared. It's so sexy. Look at that. Yeah, the minivan's so sexy. No. Yes. I love it so much. It's crazy. Okay, so now that that is over with, we are heading to Jevons and we have big plans for today, which is to kill the Ford. How excited are you to kill the Ford?
Super excited. I hate Fords.
Oh, wow. Yes, Ori. Yeah, Ori has a bike. He's so cool. Sick.
One of those days. One of those days.
What?
Well, I got sunglasses in these helmets.
What?
Yeah, they're convenient.
That is convenient.
That is cool.
Okay, so we actually forgot a couple things at home. We need a jump box for Jevon in case the Ford does die / can't start. We need to be able to jump start it. So we're going to grab the jump box and what else? That's it?
That's really it. Just for you, Jeff.
Just for you, Jeff.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to go now. It took too long. What I did today?
No, well, yeah, we
About
did
the
today, but
Beamer.
also we're not going off-roading.
We're not going off-roading. My hair probably looks like really bad.
It actually doesn't.
It doesn't? Alright, great.
Ooh, your hair's so soft.
Thanks. Yeah, everyone says that. We dry cleaned the engine bay. We banged out this dent from the tree falling on my car, and I cleaned the disgustingness of it. It's still not perfect, though. Just a quick clean. I cleaned the nasty part, yo. She spilled coffee in this door. Look, I have it filled with water still, but I cleaned it, and I have it filled with water. With the water? Yeah, I'm gonna get the water out.
Alright, nice.
I'm letting the car out.
Alright, you're gonna die next week, dude.
Oh, that was pain.
Next week, right?
Oh, yeah, next week.
Next week. Dude, I'm honestly so bummed that we can't kill this today, though.
Yeah, I was
Dude, it would have been so lit.
really looking forward to it, but it's nice out, so at least I can do car work.
I know. Car stuff.
You should play the real game. It
Mhm.
takes about 2 hours to beat.
This is what happens when we don't do off-roading. We just play video games all day and eat. Okay guys, so now we're done being lazy and playing video games and we're actually doing some work. So what we're gonna do is we're putting my old rims back on Jeff's car and I'm getting his rims on my car. But because of that one, I know, I don't know what they're doing. They're just being crazy. But then the one tire that's like really bad, which is the reason why I switched these back, we're just gonna actually replace with a spare. And this is a full-size 17-inch spare, so it'll work with Jevon's wheels. And my tires came, so they're going on Thursday. So I'm excited for that. But first, before we do all of that, we're going for a quick ride in Jevon's Beamer. And we're gonna go take some pictures. Alright, we're doing some work now. So I noticed, these are my brakes. I noticed that I need pads really bad.
And they all have to work together, right?
Here, let me. Can't really see it, but I need pads really bad. And I noticed that Jevin has like really new pads, so I'm just gonna take his car stuff.
Alright, so today we're working on this M Sport Beamer. No, I'm just playing. This, it is an M. Not an M Sport though. Anyways, we're gonna do some body work on it. A tree fell on this right here. I just started sanding it briefly. I marked out all the spots where I seen little imperfections. Like here's a big dent, and then here's a dent. That's about it for the dents, but we're gonna do the body work on it because the tree fell. Originally I wasn't gonna do it, but now we're gonna paint it and everything. Get it back to its glory. You actually want to sand all around, not just the affected area, so like the Bondo has something more to stick onto.
Okay, well, that spare is like super flat. I don't even.
That's a great spare, guys.
I didn't even think about it not having enough air in it. So hopefully we're able to somehow fill it up. Otherwise, I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we might have to take it off, bring it somewhere.
Devin, we're stupid.
Devin, dude, we're so dumb.
Why?
We didn't think about how this is probably gonna have like no air in it. Cause we just lowered
there's
it.
no air
Dude,
in
it just
it?
went.
The rim like hit the floor.
Yeah, it's fine.
Damn, that's an L.
So do you have like a compressor
I have
or like an
a
air?
bicycle pump.
Bicycle pump?
Yeah.
Bet, let's do it.
Alright, let's say
I
we're using
have
a bicycle
compressor,
pump.
but it would just be too much work.
Okay, ready?
1, 2. Well, the battery. Oh, did you see that? It was like shaking. It was like giving.
Oh, maybe it needs a little love. Get Jack Daniels shit.
What's leaking out of the?
That's amazing. What are you doing with it? Guys, this is a custom hood prop. You could purchase it. DM me to buy it. It's worth a lot of money. It's really fancy. It's made from all natural materials. Hey guys, so we're at an Advanced Auto Parts right now, and it's an auto parts store, and you know what that means. We're gonna go crazy looking at stuff. Alright, we're here for Bondo.
Bondo.
Dude, Bondo would not be down here. Bondo would be back that way. This is really funny because it's so accurate. Busted Knuckle Garage. X% branded bolts. Strip threads. We've done that. Alright guys, so we're at the mall with Jev and Bree. We're getting some birthday stuff for some friends. And we're gonna get milkshakes. So it's Easter, and look at this line for the Easter bunny. Like, that's insane. I would never want to do that. Bye. Bye. Hey Chris. Bye Chris. Okay guys, so we're done with Jev and Bree, and now we're taking pictures at the warehouse of Betsy, because she looks pretty sick right now at night with the new headlights. Just look at her. She looks just like really mean now. Like she has.
Yeah,
like,
I know. She looks
she
like.
has like.
Yeah.
No, like she has like a personality to her. It doesn't do it justice on video.
I know. Get real close.
Oh, there you go. You can kind of tell. Like the way that looks.